Hey everybody, Bones here, Bones Garage, just bringing you an update what's going on at the garage. So, 1977 International Scout. We finally have all the pieces in. We just started putting in the new front steering. So we have this new heavy duty bar. We were gonna get new tie rod ends for the lower, but at 120 bucks a piece, the owner said hang out on that, we'll do it another time because the bills are getting high on this thing. We have all the new bearings, the new seals, the new locks for the hubs are here. We have new belts. There's a lot of the bearings and the seals. There's some of the stuff there that we're going to be using. So we're trying to keep the cost down, but make it as good and as safe as possible. We've made our own wires. You can see how nice all of our wires look. For the positive, if you remember, that positive wire on the top side was running right across the motor, and they had taped an area up that was broken from sitting on the motor. Another thing we're gonna have to do is clean up the seal edge right here. As you can see, at some point something happened to this. More than likely, with the way this looks, the bearing seized up and started spinning on the spindle. So we're gonna have to clean all of this edge off, because if we don't, it's gonna eat up the grease seal that goes on here. We're gonna try and straighten as much of this hub out as possible, the dust cover, to make it so it doesn't hit anymore, because you could see where it was hitting all along there. So we're gonna clean all that up as well. I'm just hoping that this isn't going to be a problem with the new bearings. We'll find out over time. So that's what's going on with this truck. We have still quite a bit to do. We got new discs for it. We're gonna be pulling, what we have to do is pull all of the studs out, pull this hub off, put it onto the new disc, and then press all of these studs back in. So we'll get that all done. We got new pads. You can see he's already got new braided steel lines on here. So the truck it's a nice truck, and we're trying to keep it that way. He wants to go on trips. He wants to do off-roading with it. He wants to do stuff with this truck. So we're trying to make it as reliable and as safe as possible. So there you go. There's where we're up to right now. I'll keep you up to date as we go. Have fun. Okay, bye.